PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Don't just push it. Look, you're short, sir. You didn't use full force. Every ball I hit touches my sternum. Right here. Did you hear that sound? It hurts a lot. Hear that? I could avoid hitting it. But in the beginning you can't. Why? Because you need to find that explosive direction. Power point, right? See, right at the sternum. You can hear the sound from here. You hear it every time. If you can spin it. That would be strange, right? You're just flicking it outward. How can there be spin like that? But for me, right? I hit in front of my chest, brushing the sternum. Haha, you're watching closely, right? It's very clear. I didn't break any. The opponent can see it too, right? See how I brush here? Keep the bottom flat, front and back. You really can't handle my spin. I'm spinning like this. Do you think it's not spin? Don't hit it. Is it spinning? Called a dead spin. Did you notice? That's why you hit the net. I feel like the ball drops as soon as I hit the net. Because I'm serving a dead spin. I also served with hidden power. The side underspin is deadly. I'm not using this kind of underspin, you see. This one has some power. This one generates good power. Do you understand how I serve it? Hidden power. Look at that last move when I serve. There's a feeling of releasing power. There's a slow and dull feeling. Is the ball not bouncing much? Yes, haven't you seen this kind before? This one generates good power. Take another look. Isn't it easy to generate power like this? Flatten it a bit and apply force front and back. Okay, go ahead again. Okay, how about a long push? Try serving with hidden power. Yes. Can you tell the difference? Then I'll serve a short ball. I will never serve it comfortably for you. Either I squeeze it towards you a bit or make you reach out. I absolutely won't serve it to your hand. Even if I occasionally serve a forehand short ball. If I serve it like this, serving a forehand short ball. It seems like the angle of serve is quite large. The forehand is curving inward like this. Has it reached a place that can be reached in one step again? You see, it looks like I serve with a large angle. Is the curving position right here? Isn't it just where you put your foot? So it doesn't feel awkward. So what do we do? So many people serve this set of left side spin. Suddenly serve. Never serve a backspin with a forehand short ball. Why does he serve it like this? It either becomes a little spin or not, right? Serve it with a little hook. Where did it go? Served like this, right? It fell off the table and went outwards. It feels awkward again. If I serve it like this, then what? Still awkward. And where did it go? It went inward. Isn't it just right on your hand when you reach for it? There is another one. Don't let the ball sink too low. Right? Are you always hitting the ball like this? You have already established this cycle of mistakes. So at the beginning, your palm is on the racket surface. And then don't hit the ball towards the inner side of the table. Don't lower the ball towards the table. Right. Toss it higher than 16 centimeters. And then during the process of the ball's descent, go hit the ball, right? So, when teaching kids to practice hitting the ball, make sure they are not too close together. Let them practice the toss first. Practice the toss. Practice the toss. Practice this toss. Instead of directly letting them hit the ball. Only after mastering the toss should they hit the ball. This is the correct rhythm for serving. Once you have established later on, you can learn and hit other shots. Right, the toss. Oh, the toss. Oh, our feet are different. I use my left foot. You use your right foot. That changes everything. Yeah, it's not the same. The transition isn't right. You're stomping your right foot, right? Chairman Liu. Look at Liu Gouyang. He used his right foot. Because what was he? Both legs were engaged. He started with weight on both legs. Then when he got ready, he squatted down. When he tossed the ball, his right foot lifted. At the moment of contact, his foot dropped back down. Amazing, right? From the back view, right? But what about how others serve? Their weight is here. See, as they toss, they lean back. Then it's unstable. The power is here, right? And at the end, they press down. So the weight must be on the left foot. A quick press with the left foot, right? Then it returns to neutral. You step back naturally and return to neutral. There's no obstruction. This way can produce high quality. Many people serve in one go. The hook shots are all thrown sideways. If it exceeds 45 degrees, then it is definitely a foul. You can have a little tilt, but the palm must not exceed 45 degrees. This is a standardized serve. Right, these few elements are placed in the palm. Outside the table. Do not sink below 16 centimeters from the table. Do not exceed 45 degrees. Hit the ball during the descent. You must possess each of these elements. There's no obstruction.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.